Well, today I want to talk to you about an altcoin gem which I've just recently found called Firo. Now it's available on Binance and Bittrex. So the reason Firo actually stood out to me is because recently we've broken out of a strong level of resistance. So this white line is a multi-year resistance that Firo has been either using as resistance or support. So you can see back in 2017 we broke above it. It was acting as support, and then we had the bear trend. And ever since, it's been a strong resistance for Firo. Now, in February 2021, we broke above it, and as soon as we broke above it, we saw around a 400% pump to the upside, and after that, obviously, we saw a correction in the market. A lot of altcoins and Bitcoin went down, and which actually resulted in Firo coming down as well. But a positive note was that it actually managed to stay above this white line and actually treat it as support. There was a small wick to the downside, but we didn't close below that. So again, acting as a very good positive sign for the coin. On higher time frames, on the weekly time frame, we can see that there has been a bullish cross, which is essentially the cross of the 20 and the 55 EMA. So we saw that cross on the week of 8th of March, and ever since, we did see an uptrend. We did go below both EMAs, which was slightly worrying, but the market has recovered, and we are again above both the 20 and 50 EMA, which is why I'm bringing this coin to you right now. So the coin looks very strong. That's a very bullish sign that we've been able to come back above both these EMAs. We are in the bullish cross, and the same is applicable for the daily time frames. We saw the bullish cross on the daily time frame on the 13th of August, and ever since it's been on a steady uptrend. There was a small head and shoulders pattern, which was a inverse head and shoulders pattern, which was a bottoming signal for me. And we did see that, and it does seem that we have met the target for this head and shoulders. It was around, if we don't count the wick, around $8.20 was the target, and we have managed to hit that target, and now we are slowly moving upwards. So if we see a continuation of the bull run and Firo is able to remain above this white line, we can see Firo going back to the price levels of its all-time high. So we're looking at around 188, 190 level. Just to put that in perspective, we could see that would be an approximately 2,140% move to the upside. So Firo is looking so good so far. It's something that you can look into, not financial advice, obviously. Definitely showing some bullish signals. So just today we've seen a pump of 10%, and we'll see how the market reacts. Bitcoin seems to be going through a small correction. So depending on that, we can see how Firo and the rest of the altcoins move. That's all for today. I'll be back with another update tomorrow.